Oh yeah, baby! Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang! Hey, this is gonna be hot stuff. Anyway, very short video. Here I go. Guess what? Sometimes your kids aren't hungry. They don't want to eat anything for breakfast. So here's what you do. You make them an omelet. Not just a plain old omelet. I'm gonna show you what kind of omelet. And if they don't want it, I'll show you who to feed it to, sir. Because it's all going to be good. Hey, the Chef Bourque, let's get the show on the road. Hot dang. All right, first thing I want to do, got a little butter in here, because I'm making an omelet. Get my little stove cranked up. Oh, yeah, she's running hot already. Oh, baby, go. And then when I make an omelet, I usually put a little bit of butter in there. You know what I mean? I like a little bit of butter, a little butter. Get in there, baby. Do your thing. And this little stove here cooks fast. All right. Got that working right now. Butter's melting down real good. Gonna take this little egg, gonna beat it. Oh yeah, let me move this on the side here a little bit. Gonna beat that egg, baby. Gonna beat that egg. You get it, Shaq. Hey, what comes up next? Gonna pour it in the skillet. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And it's gonna start cooking. Hey, I've got some Cheetos. Check it out, Jack. That egg is cooking right now. Put some Cheetos on there. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Look at that. It's a Cheeto omelet. And I tell you, man, it's just so good, so good, so good. It's usually what I eat for breakfast sometime. I got my cheese and my egg all together. All together. See that how that's working? Look here. Oh yeah. Now if you want to, you can let your Cheetos soak a little while. Yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. In some milk or cream. Let it soak a little bit to get softer. Look at that. Huh? What you think? Tell me, what kid is not gonna like this? God dang it. Look. All right, and see how fast that is? Now I'm gonna cut this off. And hey, hey, kid might not eat it, but I got somebody who will. I got something gonna eat it, Chad. Hot dang, here we go. Take this off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look here. Huh? All right. Hey, look. I'm here. There's no one around to eat this egg. So hey, I'm going to feed this baby to the crows, Shaq, because they love my Cheetos and scrambled eggs. Hot dang. And they got babies. They feed their babies. Oh yeah, you might get lucky and watch them feed the babies. Now let's leave them alone. Leave this alone and you'll see they're going to show up. Man, I tell you what, They just about cleaned it up. There's not much left. Look at that. A few little pieces of egg. No Cheetos. Early in the morning, I guess that's when they bring the babies out. Late in the evening, they like to keep the babies in the nest. But hey, the mornings, hey, your crows will do that. They'll bring the babies will come out. They'll feed them, take them to the waterer, water them. When you open their mouth, they drop a little drop of water in there. Anyway, hey, this Chef Bourque. Talk with you later. Hey, and believe me, the kids do love Cheeto Omelets. Just when you make it, just make sure you don't add any salt. All right, later.